Diamonds are among the most precious and sought-after gemstones in the world. But what many people don't realize is that most diamonds don't look shiny and brilliant when they're first found. In their raw form, they often appear like ordinary stones. So how can you tell if that rough stone you found might actually be a real diamond? Here are 4 simple and effective methods you can use at home to identify real rough diamonds without needing expensive equipment or expert tools. 1. The scratch test, hardness test. One of the defining features of a diamond is its exceptional hardness. On the Mohs scale of mineral hardness, diamond scores a perfect 10, meaning it can scratch almost any other material. How to do it? Take a piece of glass or quartz, which rates about 6 to 7 on the Mohs scale. Carefully scratch the surface of the glass using your rough stone. If the stone easily scratches the glass without any visible damage to itself, it might be a real diamond. Be cautious. Fake stones like quartz, topaz or cubic zirconia may not scratch glass as easily or may get slightly damaged during the test. Real diamonds remain unscathed. #2. The fog test. This is one of the easiest and quickest ways to test a rough diamond at home, using only your breath. How to do it? Hold the stone in front of your mouth and breathe on it, just like you would fog up a mirror. Watch how quickly the fog disappears. Result: a real diamond will disperse the fog almost instantly, within 1 to 2 seconds, because it conducts heat very efficiently. A fake diamond or glass will stay foggy for several seconds. This test works best in a room temperature environment and with a clean, dry stone. 3. The water drop test. A diamond's density is another way to identify it. Real diamonds are denser and heavier compared to most imitations. How to do it? Fill a glass with normal water. Gently drop your rough stone into the glass. Result: a real diamond will sink straight to the bottom because of its high density, about 3.5 grams per centimeter. A fake stone will float or sink slowly depending on the material. This method is simple, but surprisingly accurate for separating real rough diamonds from lighter stones. 4. The sandpaper or scratch resistance test. Another easy method is to test how resistant your stone is to scratching or damage. Diamonds are incredibly tough and can withstand rough contact. How to do it? Take a piece of sandpaper, preferably coarse. Gently rub it against the surface of your rough stone. Result: a real diamond will remain unchanged and won't show any scratches. A fake stone will likely show marks, dullness, or scratches after a few seconds. This test reinforces the hardness property of diamonds. Nothing can scratch a diamond except another diamond. Bonus tip: look at the edges and shape. Real rough diamonds often have sharp, well-defined edges and a greasy or metallic luster. They may also have small natural lines or inclusions. On the other hand, fake stones or quartz often have rounded edges and a more glassy appearance. If your stone reflects light in rainbow colors, it's likely not a real diamond. Real diamonds reflect white and grey light mainly, with very subtle color flashes. Final thoughts. Identifying a real rough diamond at home is not as hard as it sounds. With a few basic materials, glass, water, sandpaper and your breath, you can easily perform several tests to get a good idea of whether your stone is genuine. However, keep in mind that the most accurate way to confirm your result is by taking your stone to a professional gemologist or a certified jeweler. They can use advanced tools such as a thermal conductivity tester or microscope to verify it beyond doubt. So the next time you come across a mysterious, shiny, rough stone, try these simple tests first. You might be holding a hidden treasure in your hand.